make it easy. Loving up on you, make it easy. With every little thing you do, you're my sunshine in the darkest days. My better half, my
thing's already overloaded. But Fatima keeps yakking me about these chicken chicharrones. Man, look at all this. All this is pasalubong. But confessions of a chicken chicharron smuggler. Those are two bags in there of fresh chicken chicharrones straight out of the fryer over there, the frying pan. They're gonna get broken up a little bit, but the main thing is I got them. Now my camera gear has to take precedence over the chicken chicharrones. Oh, by the way, these are these scarves I keep talking about. They're 6 for 500 baht. You can get them cheaper if you go some of the small markets, but 6 for 500 baht. They're a pretty good scarf. Now they're not silk. It's silk and cashmere. Supposedly made in Thailand. I'm not sure. They're probably made in China. It doesn't matter. They're very good gifts because they're practical. Use them for traveling. Filipinos use them to keep the sun off their head. And come in all different colors with like elephants and stuff. They're a great gift, especially if you're going to the Philippines. Just get you 5 or 10 of those and give them out to the Filipinas. Bar girls love them too. If you're into that. There you go. Nothing like smuggling chicken chicharrones in a Hello Kitty Ziploc bag. There you go, Fatima. Big Daddy's coming home with a suitcase full of pasalubong. Y'all see the stress I'm under here? Taking a big risk smuggling these chicken chicharrones. Zip it up. On station, Golden Foyer Hotel. Y'all seen it before on previous videos. Now the hotel's right there. Beautiful property with a nice little pool right here. But this restaurant is, well, one of the main reasons I like it. People here are friendly. It's a very budget friendly. I don't want to use the word cheap because it's a quality hotel, but the rates are very reasonable. And it's right here on this little canal. The food is on time. I like to get here early before my flight. A day early, or like my flight is 1 in the morning. So I just come in here and check in, you know, spend 10 hours chilling here. And they got a shuttle, so it's no big deal getting a taxi over to the airport. And I just reflect, collect my thoughts before I head to wherever I'm heading. This trip, I'm headed back to the Philippines. Drink me one last Sing Hai, one last good drink of beer, and one last beautiful Thai meal, some good Thai food. Oh, that's cold too. They always have cold beer. Ice. I mean, it's cold. I love the cold beer. Every time I come here, the beer is absolutely cold. And I go with the gai pat med mamuang, the cashew chicken. It's always delicious here. And so this is my routine. And it's a beautiful day here in Thailand. I mean, how can you not love this weather? And I'm just sitting here. The sun's right over there. May catch up to me in a second. But you're just chilling in this beautiful garden area. And again, I sit here by this canal and I collect my thoughts before it's time to get on that bird and leave paradise. A little fish. I should have brought me a fishing pole. That'd be fun, just sit here and catch some little fish.
It happens every time. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? When will I be loved? Tell me, when will I be loved?
Folks, I told y'all last night I was going to go to the fireworks festival in Pattaya. It was Friday night tonight, which is Saturday. I drank a couple beers and got to talking to the old lady, and I just ended up not going. I'm sort of regretting it today, but like when I don't know about y'all, but when I'm 2-3 days out from a trip, I call it, well, we say two things. Either we're on the short clock, but hell, a month out you can be on the short clock, but 2 days before the trip, I go into snap count, and I do things different. I don't take unnecessary risks. I don't do anything at the last minute that would fuck up my trip, cost me to have to rebook a flight, and cost me money. Does that make sense? So like for the last 2 days, I don't ride my motorbike. That might be a little fatalistic, but I just park the motorbike and put it up. Because what can happen when you're riding around on your motorbike? You know, A, you get a flat tire. B, you have engine trouble. C, you get a ticket for some reason, right? And if you get a ticket, you don't want to leave because you got to go pay the ticket. It's not something you want to be doing at the last minute. So when I'm in snap count, motorbike gets parked. I either take a motorbike taxi or I ride a bicycle. So I just start, you know, damping down anything that could potentially derail my travel plans. Eliminate unnecessary risks, right? So I said, you know what? It's a Friday night. Yeah, I could go over there, but I'm gonna be right in the middle of things. I might get to drinking, might end up over on Soy 6 Beach or something like that, something crazy. And here I am trying to catch a flight the next day. I said, no, I'm just gonna keep my ass at home, watch some movies, drink some beer, talk to the old lady, and that's that. So here I am, successful. And it's much safer to sit here and drink beer once I'm here, once I'm on station, because there's little risk about me getting from here to the airport now. Does that make sense? I don't know if y'all do the same thing, but that's what I do. I go into snap count. No unnecessary risks when I'm about to hop on a flight. Now, it wasn't always like that. I mean, back in the day, me and my buddies were first coming partying over here in this region. I mean, I remember we had a flight at like 5 in the morning, and we were still on Soy 6 at like 1. we didn't give a shit. I mean, it was like last minute, pour everybody into the taxi and try to make it up to the airport and try to be sober enough to get on the flight. But it's a different mindset back then. I'm just excited about getting home to the ladies and the babies. Grandpa, one of the uncles, was over there today chilling, hanging out. They're supposed to have a swimming pool get delivered today from Lazada. It took forever. Damn, they could have just went to Prince and bought it, but I was like, just click one on Lazada. The kids love those little swimming pools, but if you've been following us through the years, them little swimming pools, they don't last too long. The last one was a champion right up until Forrest G took his little bamboo stick in there and poked a hole in it. They always get destroyed. I wish I could go, and I'm gonna try to do some research. I've been threatening to get like a cattle trough, like a steel or big plastic cattle trough. I gotta find one somewhere where they can't tear it up. I mean, yeah, I can order one of those, you know, the one with like supports on the side or whatever. Hell, they'll figure out a way to tear that up too. The three of them together, Maria, Force G, and Upal, they tear up a freight train. I mean, they're oh shoot, when they get together and get fired up, they're wild. But anyhow, looking forward to getting back, folks. Looking forward to getting back. And like I said, we got 2 more additions to the kingdom coming. I think Wednesday. I have to look at their flights. Excited about them getting there. I think y'all are going to be excited too. A lot of things planned for the village. Christmas party on the 24th, you know, Christmas Eve. And like in the Philippines, Christmas Eve is Christmas, right? And I still don't understand it, but like, you know, when we were dressing up, playing dress up as Santa and giving out presents, we had to do it on Christmas Eve. And I said, why don't we wait till Christmas morning? They're like, no, it has to be done now. So like all the activities go down on Christmas Eve, and then Christmas Day is like a non-issue. It's a non-event. Maybe that's just Fatima's family. Maybe that's just the way her village does business. But Christmas Eve is the party, not Christmas Day. So that's what we got planned. We're looking for a hog, looking for a pig. Trying to find one that's 50 kilos, a little bit bigger. And so we'll take you along that journey, going and buying the pig, getting the pig transported over to the village. You know, the fine details of how village life operates. Alright, I'm going to drink my beer. I'll show you my food here in a minute. Again, I'm getting a cashew chicken. Can't beat it here at the Golden Foyer Hotel near Suvarnabhumi Airport in the beautiful Bangkok, Thailand.
Like a rainy Sunday morning makes me wanna stay in bed, twisted up all day long. You're my inspiration, girl, you take me places, put the words right into these songs. Stealing kisses undercover, babe, see forever when I see your face. And I swear God made you for me. You make it easy, loving up on you. Make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days, my better half, my saving grace. You make me who I wanna be. You make it easy. Got my rough around the edges, never let it ruffle up your feathers, angel. Yeah, I'm down for life, you got me wrapped around your finger, and I like it just in case you can't tell. You make it easy, loving up on you. Make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days, my better half, my saving grace. You make me who I wanna be. You make it easy. Undercover, babe, see forever when I see your face. And I swear God made you for me. You make it easy, loving up on you. Make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days, my better half, my saving grace.
All right, my last meal in Thailand. You know, it's like being on death row. It's your last meal. Tom yum goong. And this is gai pad med mamon. This is cashew chicken. And this is absolutely delicious. Shrimp soup. That big old shrimp. So, one last meal before it's time to roll. The boys are back in town. Had to cut around the downtown area here. No taxis and buses allowed, I guess, on Sundays. I'm almost back to the crib. My 7-Eleven. Couldn't live without that 7-Eleven right there, folks. Hey, sweetie girl. Hey, sweetie. Aww.
Excited.
Those aren't for you. Those aren't
That's the
Those are scarves
scarf.
for the teachers.
You have this before?
Where's Jin?
Maria.
Where's Jin? Upao?
Yeah, I got them the same outfit.
Or
They didn't have the same for Maria. Okay, ladies, show everybody the shorts I got y'all. Now, who's got the blue and who's got the green?
I like this one. Green.
Okay, good, because you wanted the green.
I like.
Hey, the Daisy Dukes, baby.
This is large.
You got a large booty. Both y'all got big asses, so you should fit right into them things. That one's yours. Put it around your neck. Let's see. Baby, go. Oh my.
No, I.
Turn around.
Oh, it's nice.
You gotta, you need to get maybe 2 or 3 more kilos and then they'll fit, baby. Hey, breast violation. Try that chicken chicharrones. How they taste, ladies?
Chicken. Tastes like chicken.
Well, that's because they're chicken. Masarap, sweetie? Okay.
No.
All right, ladies. She got a
That
whole
one.
suitcase full of pasalubong today.